Morning to all of you. I am Anubhav Kumar from Standard 7A. I am introduced by Rohit Kalpaning, the famous writer. Rohit Kalpaning was born in India in 1865. He was educated in England. When he returned, he wrote a famous literature Jungle Book. In 96, he was awarded for this literature. Now I am reading in the poem if you can keep our head when all about you are you losing there and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, make make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tried for by waiting, or being led about, don't deal in lies, or being hated and don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not to make dream for your master, if you can think and not make a throat for your aim, if you can meet and trumpet their digester, and treat those two impostors just the same. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twist it back enough to make trap for food, or watch it the things you given your life to broken, and stoop a building up the with wrong out tools. If you can if you can make on heap of all your winning and risk it on one turn of pitch in a toss and loss in and started again to beginning. So, and never breathe word about your loss. If you can forces your heart and nerve and to survive your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which you say to him. Hold on. If you can talk with crown and keep your virtue, or walk with kings and no loss to common touch, if neither forces nor living friend can you hurt you if all men count with you that none too much. If you can feel the forgiven minutes when 60-second brought in distance run, yours is the earth and everything that in it, and which is more, you all be a man, my son.